Do you want to recreate a TikTok style infinite scroll? Let's talk about the architecture. Alright, so quick definition for infinite scroll. Let's say you have your phone, the container is the screen, and a video is loaded. And you want the next video to show as soon as you scroll, and they keep showing up as long as you keep scrolling. So you can do this in mainly two approaches, but there's probably thousands of variations in each approach. For the straightforward approach, you'd load your feed or specific video as soon as the app loads, and the backend would go and select the video and then return one or many videos. And then every time you scroll, you would either do this request again or do a different request to update the next video. The problems with this approach is you'd introduce some kind of lag that would break the user experience because the user would have to wait as the infinite scroll continues. And it wouldn't feel so infinite at that point. What you could do, make a request to the feed with some specific ID, let's say, and this would be your cursor to tell your app where you are on the video list. Could be a timestamp instead or some other identifier. The backend would then, using the cursor, check if it exists in the cache, and if it does, return the next video's metadata. It could be 10, it could be 20, it could be whatever amount. And then the metadata would contain a CDN link for the video so that it would show super fast on your front end. If the key doesn't exist, or it's past the time to live, then you can clear the database, get back some video data to then store into cache for future use. And that way you can get videos back sub-millisecond, really reinforcing that infinite scroll user experience. You could continue updating the cache as you run through the videos and you're reaching near the end, probably not having to wait till the last video. So if you're loading 10 videos, you could wait till like video 7 to start updating the cache, for example. And so you can set up the trigger for the feed to update on X many scrolls. And so that's a quick overview on infinite scroll. Come back to more where we will break down some other feature.